Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to make only people you follow can mention you in their videos and their comments uh, on your account on TikTok. Easy and quick. First click on your profile, click on these three lines here. Now click settings and privacy. Now click privacy and now click mentions and tags. Now click mentions and here just click people you follow and you're gonna make people you follow can mention you in their description, stickers, comments and stories, and that's it. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you, and thanks for watching until the end, and see you in the next video.